Hi there, on this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox error code 268. To start this tutorial, open your search bar and then go to your Roblox account. Open Roblox. Wait for Roblox to load. This will take some time. So Roblox is not opening right now. All you gotta do is right-click on your Windows button and click Apps and Features. After clicking, search for Roblox. Then exit. In the search bar, type Run. Pause the screen, %app data %. Type it in the Run box, then click OK. Tap on App Data when this window appears. Now once you click App Data, click on Local. Then to the search bar, click on Roblox. Look for Global Basic Settings _13 and frm.cfg. Right-click and then delete. After deleting the files, go to the versions folder. Check if these folders are there. Close your window. Now go back and right-click on Start. Now click on Apps and Features. After clicking Apps and Features, go to the search bar and search for Roblox. You will have to uninstall and reinstall Roblox to your PC. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe.